Welcome to our Exaquantum training video. In this video, we will demonstrate how to set up a subscription to ARA reports. In order to send reports by email, SQL reporting services must first be configured. Run the Reporting Services Configuration tool from the Start menu. Click Connect to connect to the server. Select Email from the left-hand pane and enter the send address. This should be an account that has permissions to send email from the SMTP server. In the SMTP server, enter one of the following: an IP address, a UNC name of a computer on the corporate intranet, a fully qualified domain name. Click Apply. Now click Exit. Open Internet Explorer and navigate to localhost/reports. Click on the ARA Reports folder and find the report required, and then click on the drop-down menu on the right and choose Subscribe. The subscription page consists of two areas: the report delivery option at the top and the subscription processing options at the bottom. Subscription processing options are usually the same regardless of the delivery method. For email subscriptions, enter the CC and BCC details as in any email client. You can enter a subject. The default will be the report name and execution time. Choose a format. You can choose to include a link to the report. In this case, we're going to send the report itself. You can choose the priority for the email and add any comments as required. When writing to a Windows file share, you can provide the file name and extension, the path to share, which should already exist, and Windows credentials to access that share. The credentials provided should have write access to the share. There are also options to overwrite the files, overwrite with previous version, or increment file names. Once the report delivery options have been chosen, you can choose schedule for the report to run. This gives options for hourly, daily, and weekly. In the case of daily, you can choose which days you want the report to run and what time the report should run. And optionally, you can provide start and end dates for the schedule. Finally, you can provide report parameter values for the report, or you can check the Use Default option to use the default options for that report. Click OK to accept your settings. You can click the My Subscriptions link to see the subscriptions that you've made. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit subscribe. For more information, contact us or visit our website.